Is your Nikon Z30 lying to you about a full memory card when it's clearly empty? Let's fix that. First, let's understand why this happens. The most common culprits are corrupted files confusing your camera, formatting inconsistencies, or even an incompatible SD card. We'll go through each of these step by step. The simplest solution is to format the SD card directly within your Nikon Z30. Go to the menu. Find the setup section Y Euro, it's usually the wrench icon Y Euro, and then select Format Memory Card. Be absolutely sure you've backed up any important files because formatting erases everything. Confirm the format and let the camera do its thing. If formatting in camera doesn't work, try formatting the card using your computer. Connect your SD card using an SD card reader before formatting. Make sure to copy any files you want to keep. When formatting on your computer, choose either FAT3 for cards 32 GB or smaller, or exFAT for larger cards. This ensures compatibility with your Z30. After formatting, safely eject the card and try it in your camera again. If the problem persists, it could be an incompatibility issue. Consult your Nikon Z30 manual to confirm the supported SD card types and speed classes. Using a card that doesn't meet the camera's requirements can lead to errors. Finally, check the SD card contacts. Sometimes dirt or debris can interfere with the connection. Gently clean the gold contacts on the card with a soft, lint-free cloth. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps has resolved the full card error on your Nikon Z30, allowing you to get back to shooting. If you're still facing issues, consider testing with another SD card to isolate the problem and checking for any available firmware updates for your Z30.